Greetings family, peace and love to you and yours. This is Guru and thanks for visiting my channel. This video is going to be about a Texas woman who slips off handcuffs, steals a cop car, and then leads the officers on a high-speed chase. Now, when you see this video, what's strange to me is how she's able to come out of those handcuffs. Especially after I just finished watching a video of the police handcuffing Michael Bennett, the NFL football player who experienced police brutality firsthand. He stated that they put the handcuffs on him so hard that he lost feeling and his fingers went numb. You know, they had to do some serious damage to him psychologically, we know. But it just goes to show how they treat black people, which we've always been stating all along, and then how they treat white people. With that, listen, a Texas woman led the police officers on this high-speed chase on Saturday after she slipped out of her handcuffs and driving off in a patrol vehicle, all of which was caught on camera. The officers from the Lufkin Police Department, and let me repeat that again, the Lufkin Police Department, who you guys should feel real stupid right about now. You guys really should feel real stupid. But nonetheless, they responded to a 911 call about a possible shoplifter at an Ulta beauty store on Saturday afternoon. The officers chased down the suspect, 33-year-old Toscha Sponsler of Pollock, and placed her in a patrol vehicle with a seatbelt and her hands cuffed behind her back, police said. Now, while the officers went through the woman's bags of stolen goods in the store's parking lot, a camera inside the patrol vehicle captured Sponsler removing her seatbelt, slipping out of the handcuffs, which, again, if they would have put them on as tight as they put the handcuffs on Michael Bennett, maybe she wouldn't have escaped. But anyways, the camera inside the vehicle captured Sponsler removing the seatbelt, slipping out of the handcuffs, and climbing through a window partition into the driver's seat. Sponsler took off and led police on a 23-minute pursuit, nearly hitting authorities with the patrol vehicle and reaching speeds up to 100 miles an hour. Throughout the chase, officers could see the woman reaching for the shotgun that was mechanically locked to the car. The pursuit ultimately ended miles away in Zavala after a state trooper used a pursuit intervention technique maneuver that made Sponsler lose control of the patrol vehicle. Sponsler waived medical treatment at the scene and was taken to the Angelina County Jail, where she is being held on a collective $18,000 bond, police said. Cameras from inside the stolen vehicle and on the dashboard, as well as police body cameras, captured the incident. The Lufkin Police Department posted a mashup of the video footage on Facebook. The video ended showing an officer giving the thumbs up as he installed a tactical window limitation device, which police said have now been installed in all marked units. Lufkin Police Department Assistant Chief David Thomas said an internal review of the incident is ongoing. Now, when you review that internal investigation, ask yourselves, why didn't we handcuff her the same way we handcuffed, say, Michael Bennett? Maybe she wouldn't have escaped. Quote, during the initial review, we determined that limiting the size of the partition window in its open position could prevent this from occurring in the future if the locking mechanism fails or is not engaged, Thomas said in a statement. Well, too late for that. You got a wake-up call because she showed you how stupid you guys were. But anyways, family, I'm going to end right there. I'm not going to finish reading this. Let's roll the video clip.
Yeah, about that. God dang! Hey! God.
Bust no weapons on him. Bust the window. Bust the window.
Where's the window punch? Window punch!
Window punch! Window punch! Window punch!
Cover, cover. Cover, I got cover.
So as you saw, family, from the video footage, this white chick got the white privilege. She didn't get shot or killed. Now, you know, if she had been black, this would have ended up totally different. But because she's a white person, she got the privilege card to stay alive. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Just wanted to share this with you. Until the next video, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.